Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Hey, it's the Webmaster here back at you, and we're going to do the second part of the unboxing series of the GH5 and the CyberPower PC upgrade to help and aid in our video content creation, editing, and pushing out to the internet on websites. So without any further ado, this is the CyberPower PC that we ordered. I'm going to compare it to our previous version. The old version over there is about 10 years old, so it has held has done its fair share. But it is time to move on. So here we go. So I've been ordering games from CyberPower PC for probably over 10 years for sure. This was my second PC, so probably about 15 years I think, and I've ordered probably at least 5 or 10 of them, probably like 10 of them, for friends, family, people that come to me and say, you know, what should I get? They always have these little freebies, little gaming mouse, keyboard. Probably will never use this unless mine accidentally gets something spilled on it, but it does happen. So they're good to have backups. The usual cables, motherboard, drivers. Got, I'll give you over the full details of what's in this this piece here. We got the a lot in this one. So this is the Geforce GTX 1080 Ti, and also the iCore i7-77DK. So 4.2 gigahertz, 3 terabyte hard drive. Did not get an operating system. I usually put my own operating systems on, so it's fine. Well, evidently it's not the easiest to unpack here, but I don't. That is the Geforce GTX 1080 Ti, the MSI motherboard. So that is a machine there, huh? I'm very impressed so far. Okay, so we have it plugged in now, and what I did is I made a boot disk off of just a regular USB stick, and bought it without the operating system because you can download it, and I have my licenses for a bunch of other machines, so I usually skip buying the operating system. So we'll go ahead and just plug this in. And what I also do, I have a KVM switch, and basically that switches between my computers, which over here is the old computer. Can't really see it that well, but that is plugged in there, and then I have additional laptops and things plugged into it, so you can change between it. So for now, we're just going to make sure we're going to take the HDMI cable from the open slot and put it into the card. Back here. There we go. It is now in the slot, ready to go. Come over here, select number 2. It will change over, including the keyboard, and it should be ready to go. So we'll go ahead and power this up for the first time. Whoa. That is something. That's just crazy.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
I don't know if I was prepared for this. It's a light show and a half. Very nice. Okay, so there we are booting from the USB drive. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead in here and get ready for Windows. So I'm just gonna speed test it a little bit, like watch it restart. So here we go. I'm gonna restart it. Update and restart. So it's still updating Windows. Okay, so here's the load screen, usually the BIOS. my other one would take a little bit. See, that is just, that's crazy. That is the fastest I've ever seen a restart. I mean, maybe everyone out there has experienced this, but that is seriously impressive. So far, so good.